Hey friends, today we are going to learn how to bring our favorite photos into a Canva design. Stay with me.
Creative over 60, still shining, still so risky, living out the story I was meant to write.
Hey friends, I'm Rochelle Shelley Damer with Shelley's Creative Author Life, and today I want to show you a very basic way on how you can bring your favorite photos into your social media post or creating videos or posters or flyers, whatever you want to do in Canva, and you want to add photos to it. Let me show you how to do it. Let's go to the computer. Today we're going to create a Facebook post that we could put on our Facebook page. So we're going to go to Uploads, and if you notice up there it says Uploads, and that is what you're going to click on to get to your photos that are in your file on your computer. You will see a screen that looks something like this, and you will choose your photo. So once you get your photo, then you're going to click on it, and I am going to create like a Christmas post just because we were dressed up for Christmas on that particular photograph, and it's one of my favorites. But as you can see, I have a lot of different photos and illustrations in my files. But I am going to create, with my favorite picture, I'm going to create a Facebook post. So I'm going to click on this photograph of me and my husband at a Christmas party. And you saw what I did. I went to Uploads, I went to my computer and Downloads, and then I clicked on the photograph that I wanted. And so now I'm going to position it how I like it, and so you can see how you can position your photograph to be exactly where you want it to be. So now I'm going to add a little text on it. So you go to Text, you click on Add a Text Box, and there you see where your text box is loading, and then you can write your message. So I'm going to click into the box, I'm going to highlight it, click into the box, and then I'm going to type my message. And I'm just going to write just Merry Christmas, because this was a Christmas photograph, so I'm going to write Merry Christmas. And as you can see, that was very, very easy. And I will probably add some more designs to this particular Facebook post. So I'm thinking about adding a background. And so on the toolbar, you will click on background, and you can see all of the different backgrounds that are available. And you find one, you click on it to see if you like it. And you can just try different backgrounds just to see if it fits your photograph. And so I was looking at the different colors, and I really didn't see anything I liked. But see, you have such a wide array of backgrounds that you can use, and you just click on them, and no, that one doesn't work. Click on another one, no, that really doesn't work. But that's how you experiment and see what you want to do in your design. And I love Canva because it makes it so easy to experiment and try different things without messing up your whole design. So I'm thinking, should I go back and look at a color? But I really didn't see a color that I thought would go with the photograph until I decided to just do beige. So I'm going to kind of step out of my comfort zone just a little, and I'm going to do beige, okay? That's a little boring, but I'm going to do something else. I'm going to go over to Elements, and I'm going to look for maybe some Christmas decor that I can put on my Facebook post. So I type in Christmas, and I decide that I'm going to use a Christmas graphic, and I click on it, and you see how it adds some interest, and I'm going to spread it out by getting the little dots in the corners, and I'm going to spread it out, bringing it out to the edges, and then I'm going to go up to the toolbar, and I'm going to click position, and I'm going to move it to the back. And that way my Christmas trees went to the back behind my photograph. Okay? So I'm going to enlarge my Merry Christmas a little bit, and I'm thinking about changing the font style. And I see different font styles and the seasons. Click on that, and that gave it just a little bit of nice different look. And there you are. You could add more text just by going to the text box and adding additional information. Hey friends, thank you so much for joining me today. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye friends.
I'm creative.